Mom, the weather isn't cold at all.
Yes, dear. It's the generator. It ran out of fuel again.
But when the power fails, comfort disappears.
Mom, did you have the generator again?
Yes, my love. We've already refueled it 3 times this week and it's out of fuel again. Go to sleep, I'll fan you.
And for many families, the real struggle begins at night.
The weather is getting hotter and hotter and fuel is becoming more and more expensive. Is there any generator out there that is super fuel efficient?
Now try the latest FIRMAN FIG5880 inverter generator. A lot of experiments in FIRMAN lab and real-world uses have proven FIRMAN FIG5880 providing over 40% longer running time under same load comparing with conventional generators. FIRMAN FIG5880, your best inverter generator.